The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arizona National Guard. At 10:24 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, androids have been reported to be attacking and killing civilians and engaging in conflict with members of the Phoenix Police Department, Mesa Police Department, Scottsdale Police Department, and Arizona National Guard. For this reason, an immediate evacuation order has been issued to all residents of Maricopa County, Arizona. Make sure to bring an emergency supply of food, water, clothing, first aid kit, flashlight with extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio. If you are unable to evacuate, stay in your homes and wait for instructions from authorities. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only.